Welcome to your CPA Auditing Success Preparation Guide. In this video, we will cover essential tips and strategies to help you excel in your CPA auditing exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and content. Understand the key topics, including internal controls, audit procedures, and risk assessment. Next, create a study schedule that allocates time for each topic, ensuring you cover all areas thoroughly. Utilize high-quality study materials such as textbooks, online courses, and practice exams. Engage in active learning by taking notes and summarizing key concepts. Join study groups to discuss challenging topics and gain different perspectives. Finally, practice time management during your exam to ensure you can answer all questions. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve CPA auditing success. Good luck!